Part of my inspection going around before anybody arrives, it's the owners, could be the charter clients, I'm doing my walk around, my quality assurance. And so part of my walk around is making sure every aspect of the boat, from the paint to the glass to the varnish, all things that are shiny are all nice and shiny and glimmery together. So I'm in my favorite supplier and looking to buy some products, and my salesperson set me up with DiTEC. So I take it back to the boat and I'm impressed. And then I research the product and find out how environmentally friendly it is on top of that, and I'm immediately sold. For me, when something is sustainable and it works with the environment, it's gonna be there, it's gonna last. We're not working against anything. So we're working with the forces of nature as opposed to working against the forces. So one of the things that I also liked about it is it's really easy to use. In the application, you follow the instructions and you have an amazing result. And that's as simple as it can be. And that's what we want. We want simplicity. The beautiful thing about simplicity, it's okay for the environment, and it actually does a great job. Everybody's winning. This is a win-win situation.
Our mission is simple. We're stewards of the environment. And as such, we're wholly responsible for the legacy we leave to future generations to protect and enjoy the aquatic ecosystem that we cannot replace. We have developed cleaning and maintenance solutions that are safe for the user and meet or exceed every known environmental standard. We have proven that our preservation products are the best in the world, second to none, and used on many of the largest and most exclusive yachts in existence. They're cost-efficient, high-performing, and provide long-lasting protection, which can cut your maintenance and cleaning time in half, leaving you more time to enjoy your boat and being on the water that you love.